Okay, so basically we're done with starting the game. Now we need a pause menu. So what should we add to this one? So basically we're just gonna add another sprite, add another button, of course. Let's just say we have a pause button right here. Let's just add some text so that you guys could follow easily. All right, we have the pause. Let's just resize this one because I'm a bit um nitpicky about these details. So basically you have the pause button right here. So what's the code for the pause button? So when, let's just say P, the usual pause button, or yeah, it's, I guess it's the easiest. Okay, when P is pressed, you want to go to if this one, then you want to go here. Let me tweak this one. If paused. Okay, let's just create for all sprites, of course. Then here is true. Then you want to set um paused to false, and then else set paused to true. So basically, as you can see, this one pauses your game. All right, this is the piece of code that you need to pause your game. So that's how easy it is. I hope this video improves your Scratch project. Please do not forget to subscribe. This is your buddy Josh of Basic Value. I'm gonna see you in the next video. Peace out.